Hello world, welcome to Genergy as we delve into chapter number 5 with excitement and purpose. In this chapter that we continue to recover the Menorca, we are going to install the battery and we are going to see if with the regime that we already achieved the other day that the generator is sustained, we are going to see if we have excitation in the plate and we get energy. To celebrate this chapter, I have put a watch that few of you will have seen. This is a generator, yes, a vintage Casio watch that is about 50 years old or something like that. It was one of my first watches. So, well, let's celebrate that. Both are old and me too. Let's see if we get it back. And the quality of Genergy continues. Keep exploring and staying energized. Let's move forward together. Well, we're going to start by placing the battery, then we're going to rotate it, put the suction on it, start it, see if the battery recovers well and starts well and well. What I said, let's get into trouble. Here is the battery, it's not small. Let's go fast. Look, here's the battery of this equipment. Okay, great. We have to get this bridle out? Okay. And now let's see how this one turns out. Possibly it was elevated earlier. Concho, man, well, I don't know if the one they sent me is going to fit. Of course, if this equipment is so old, Keshe the man, this one doesn't fit. Well, our joy in a well, let's see. If the rifle is melted down and maybe the battery can be recovered. To measure a fuse, it is done in ohms. Okay, the fuse is okay, and the battery 542. Well, I don't know if it can be recovered. Let's leave it out. In any case, we will start it by hand and change the battery. Well, it was difficult. Of course, it is a very old equipment. Having a battery like this is rare. Well, let's continue. Not that anyone loses faith, that no one becomes demoralized. Let's move on. In fact, you see, I'm going to put a charger in the battery right now, see if it recovers anything. This charger, remember the episode where he explained how he had done it. I've beaten myself with the pliers there. Let's see how we are now. Okay, 1382, 1382. Okay, well, let's leave it like this while we do the test to see if the battery recovers. Let's place the screw here so we don't lose it. There, come. Let's turn it around. I'm dying to know if we really have or don't have energy. I assure you that what you are seeing about the recovery of this equipment is always live. That is, it is always seeing what happens. In fact, you have seen the battery is not worth it. I didn't know it. I don't know if it works or not. And we are going to know right now. There it is. Well, we already have the front of our generator. Let's place the suction.
Let's go.
Let me set up the suction, please, and now we'll move on. He just gave me an idea on camera, and I'm going to do it, which is to place the battery, the one they have sent us, out. At least I will be able to tear off the key, okay? Then we'll see if it recharges the other. So let's turn it around again. Look, here's the battery. Let's get the one he sent me, the new one. And we're going to change it.
We're going to place from the outside. Apologies.
We leave it plugged in outside, and at least we can test the boot, you know? Let's see, there's another one. That's it. Okay, we leave this one in the charger, okay, over there, and we are going to place this one negative. The only issue is that they are 2 volts on each side, therefore it is perfectly compatible. This one has more capacity, more amperage, which means that we would have more. Startup tests, but otherwise no problem, is perfectly viable. And the positive good idea, very good idea, okay, this screw that is from the other battery that I won't lose with its stubbornness, okay, we left it there. Well, very good idea. We already have a battery. Even if it is external, this solution should be noted because sometimes a car battery is already used for the 12-volt generator. Well, let's go over there, put in the suction and let's try it. There it is, perfect. Turn on tester and a hair dryer, for example. With this we will be able to try whether we have energy or we don't have energy, the air. It started. As you can see at the moment, I don't see anything on the screen. Let's see. Pizza.
Great energy.
Let's see. Let's take out the picture to see if it has it, to see if it has the screen disconnected or I don't know. At least let's take a look at it. If I can't repair this, if I can't see what's happening, the truth is that it has energy, that is, the generator is already valid as it is. This screen no longer exists on the market, at least not in our spare parts. Therefore, at most, I will be able to put an LED that lights up in a color, I don't know, red, green, whatever I can, so that it warns us that the group is in ogación, that it is in production. I can do it, okay? I'm going to take the opportunity to dismantle it, and I can put an LED right here, for example, or here. Is that it warns us that the group is in production. Okay, well, I don't see any wires around here that would have been gnawed by mice or anything like that. Look, here's a little Morgan. Well, it's all equipment, very used, and it's normal.
Okay, look how he is. I'll have to clean it up good. And that's it. Okay.
Well, since I have it like this, I'm going to start it and I'm going to test with the test what voltage it has, because now I can measure here, okay? There it is, perfect, okay, I have 220, it works, okay, it works, I have 220, everything is fine, but I have no way of seeing the screen because it is humped. Okay, well, I'm telling you what I'm going to do is make a drill here and place an LED. For it to be seen that the group is in occasion, it is the only thing I am going to do, the only thing I can do.
The generator functioned as a motor flawlessly. We have voltage, however the screen is melted. Unfortunately, there is no spare screen available. In a subsequent chapter, we will demonstrate the process of installing an LED, which will also confirm that it is operational and innovation. Here we are going to leave it. I am going to leave it like this so as not to close it again and reopen it, and in the next chapter we will see it.
More information at Genergy, and remember,
Forbidden without stopping learning.